Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Kkomakjim or Korean cockles. For this dish we need 2 pounds of cockles, but we want to clean these. So in a large bowl of water, we're going to add 2 large tablespoons of sea salt and just stir this around until this completely dissolves. Then we're going to pour it over our clams, making sure to submerge them completely, and we're going to pop these in the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours. While that's cooling down and cleaning, we're going to smash up 2 cloves of garlic, give this a nice little chop, chop up 2 scallions, 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper. I've taken out the seeds to remove some of the heat, popping that in a bowl with a tablespoon each of gochugaru sesame seeds and sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is going to be a nice little drizzle. We're going to mix that up until everything is incorporated and stick this in the fridge as well. Now it's been 3 hours. I am carefully taking out each individual clam because I don't want to get any of that dirt and sand that's on the bottom into our clams now. You can see how much it's in here. And we're going to give our clams another good rinse and a scrub. Now over on the stove in a large pot, we're going to add 4 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of sherry, cooking sherry, or if you can find Korean rice wine, you can use that. Adding in all of our cockles, and we're going to watch this carefully because we're going to remove them as soon as they open. We don't want to overcook our clams. So as soon as one pops open, take that out and rest it on a tray. We're going to cool these down because this is a cold dish. So after all of your clams have opened, you can discard any that haven't and cool down. We're going to take off that top shell and we're just going to start layering this on our favorite platter. Then we're going to drizzle with our cool sauce. Cool sauce, it's a spicy sauce, but it's a cold sauce, just over our little clams. And I didn't have any cilantro, but I did have some shiso leaves, so I'm going to sprinkle that on top as well, but you can substitute this with cilantro. And this is looking absolutely stunning. Now let's go ahead and give this a taste. The cockles are salty and briny and perfectly cooked. The sauce we've laid on top is sweet, spicy, not very sweet though. It's salty, spicy, all the things that you want in a delicious dish. But there it is, Korean cockles. I hope you'll try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really do appreciate every single one of you. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.